Do is make sure that you unplug your machine. I don't want you getting any sparks or shocks. This particular power supply on this is 38 volts, so it's not just like a 12 volt DC power supply. It actually has a little oomph to it. All right, so we're going to kind of learn this as we go along right here. So I'm not normally familiar with this. This is a different type of crank arm removal than normal. On most spin bikes, they usually have a little press tool that you spin in here, and that will go and spin that out. This looks like it has two Allens, one on each side, and a TD Allen right here. So far we don't even need our little pedal tool. All right, I've already checked the sizes out because I have a bad habit of not doing that, and then I got to fumble around while I'm doing the video. So this is a number 3, and this is a number 4. All right, I think. Hold on. Nope, number 5. This is a number 5. So it is 3 and 5. And the reason why I thought it might have been a 4 is I use a number 6 all the time, and it seems to be about twice that size. But anyway, maybe I don't know my measurements. So we will also need a Phillip of some sort. I got both. I got my drill and I just got my handheld. I'm going to use my drill as much as I possibly can because I want to do it faster. All right, since I know this has got to come off first, and I have gone online and noticed that this has to be removed. So I have done that much information, so we don't want it tightened. All right, so our first thing, wow. That was pretty easy. We'll take that off there. And yeah, that's a little teeny Allen head. I better keep those together. Oh, this is a spline type of crank arm. Okay. That's actually a pretty concept. Good concept. But let's see if it's hard to get off. Wow. All right, that's pretty easy. So this is a little different. Instead of being pressed out, it's basically splined. And this spline just matches up with this axle spline here, and it just slips right on. That's a pretty good idea. One less tool that you need too. All right.